don't follow people, people follow inspiration. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Crystal Perkins. You may have heard of my business, Perkins Marketing, where I have my first $6,500 a week drop shipping on Shopify using Facebook ads and Instagram influencers. So guys, in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how I went from 4,000 followers to 10,000 followers on Instagram. I actually just hit 10.2K, so I'm excited for that. The only reason that I really wanted to hit 10,000 followers on Instagram is because I felt like it made me look more official as an entrepreneur and as a brand owner and as someone who teaches you about marketing yourself and gaining sales. I don't really teach you about gaining followers, but I teach you about how to attract more people to your website and attract more people to your store and get more sales and things like that. And it's like, how can I tell you that I know how to attract more sales, but I don't even know how to attract followers? So I kind of felt like, the two went together with social media marketing and using ads to attract more sales for a business. So it kind of made me feel, a little bit better. And then I also hit 1,000 followers. We're actually at 1,100 now on my brand page, Perkins Marketing. So if you don't follow Perkins Marketing, make sure you do after you follow me, Crystal Perkins, on Instagram. So I'm actually just gonna be discussing a few things, well, a little more than a few things that I did in order to go ahead and gain more followers on Instagram. Hey guys, it's Crystal. I had to go ahead and cut myself off really quick because while I was editing this video, I realized that I forgot a very important fact about how I gained so many followers, and that is shoutouts. Getting shoutouts from my friends, getting shoutouts from other pages. When I went viral for my weight loss journey, of course, that got a lot of reposts and when I posted it, a lot of people shared it onto their stories. And of course, it's no secret that a lot of my friends do have a lot of followers. They do have thousands of followers, and they are not shy about posting me or promoting my brand or helping me gain followers or gain an audience. So of course, my friends repost me, other people repost me, and then you can also pay for shoutouts from brands like The Shade Room, Official Snob Queen, all those kind of pages. And then there are influencers who do random promotions throughout the week. So when you see them post like doing promo on my story today for $25, make sure you always jump on that, because that is investing in your business, and shout outs are always going to lead to a new audience and more people following you. One of the first things I did was clean up my page. I cannot stress this enough. No one is going to want to follow you if your page does not look clean. You want to have really clean pictures. You want to take high quality pictures. Something that I love to do when I take my pictures is actually use the square. So you know how you can take pictures and you can use square. When you actually use square, you're able to go ahead and put your picture on Instagram and it looks more like a profile, and you're able to make your page kind of flow aesthetically, versus when you have pictures that are all over the place. Maybe you have a picture of your dog, a picture of a quote, then you have a meme, then you have a picture of yourself, then you're promoting your brand, then you have a picture of your mom because it's Mother's Day. There's just so many things that are not meant to be on your Instagram or on your brand Instagram. So you definitely want to clean up your page and get kind of like a theme going. Like on my theme, I have whited out backgrounds. I make sure that I'm the center of my photo. I use quotes as well to go ahead and promote on my Instagram. I don't ever use anything that's not aesthetically pleasing, and I use Facetune and Snapseed to go ahead and edit my pictures. I do have a video on that as well if you guys want to check out that one after this video. So you do want to go ahead and clean up your pictures, and then next you want to clean up your bio. So your bio needs to really explain exactly what you do. Are you a model? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you an influencer? Are you whatever it is that you are you a blog? Whatever it is that you are and you want people to know you as, your Instagram needs to say that. And then you can also, once you finish making your Instagram look how you want it to look and having all the information in there that you want it to have, you can also have other people look at it, or you can comment your Instagram below and I'll actually look at it for you as well. I like to do that with you guys and look at your websites and look at your Instagrams and just kind of give you some free insight on what you can do to make it better, or things that I actually like that you're already doing, and go ahead and give you that boost of confidence and let you know that you are on the right track. I do love what you're doing, and just show you my appreciation just like you're showing me yours, and support you just like you support me. So if you want to drop your Instagram below, definitely go ahead and do that. Another thing you want to do is, if you want to promote more than one link in your bio, you can go ahead and use a link Tree. That is what I use. So if you follow me on Instagram, and the link in my bio, it says Linktree, because I have multiple things that I'm promoting and multiple funnels that I want you guys to go ahead and look at, and multiple products that I want you guys to go ahead and take advantage of. So I can't just have that one link in my bio because I have so many links that I am promoting. So moving on to the next thing, you want to go ahead and have highlights. When you're posting on your story, you all know that it does expire in 24 hours. You do actually want people to go ahead and be able to see it for longer than 24 hours. So you want to make sure that you're creating your highlights, and you want to have highlight covers, and you want all of them to match. So once you go ahead and create your highlights, you'll notice that you're starting to get more views on your highlights than you get on your story. And that's because people don't always have time to watch your story. Everyone doesn't get on their phone every day. Everyone doesn't shop every day. Everyone doesn't look on Instagram every day and scroll every day. Well, people say they don't. I believe everybody does. I just believe people like to make it seem like, oh, I don't use my phone that much. I'm only on here like 5 minutes a day. I don't believe that shit. I've never believed that shit. I know you pick your phone up, because if I ask somebody about, oh, well, Kim Kardashian did this, or oh, Tristan Thompson did this, or oh, did you see that there's a new movie? You all know, you know that, but you want to say, oh, I'm only on my phone for like 5 minutes a week. Like, I'm sure you are, babe. After you clean up your Instagram, you clean up your bio, you clean up your links, you go ahead and create your highlights, and then you want to start posting better stuff. Like, you want to post better content. Create your content. Actually sit down and plan your content and write things down. My problem is I will plan out a lot of content and have all these ideas, but I never actually sat down and like wrote everything down. And as you guys can see, like in my last video, I actually took time out of my day and sat down and wrote down all of my ideas, planned out all my content for the week, and it's been helping me for the better. I'm actually starting to hit my sales goals quicker. I'm actually starting to achieve the things that I wanted to achieve months ago. I'm starting to achieve them now, and it's because of the consistency, and it's because you guys can see the creativity behind my content. You see me sitting down, you see me planning, you can tell. And I know you guys can tell because you guys been messaging me and you say it on my lives and things like that. So you definitely want to plan out your content. What is it that you want people to see on your page? And then you need to post high quality versions of that. If it's a video, it needs to be good quality like this. Like, even as far as my YouTube videos, my house that I live in right now has terrible lighting. The lighting in here is so bad that I've honestly cried because I hate it so much, and there's nothing that I can do about it. It's just the way they put the windows in here, the sides of the house that the windows are on, the size of the windows, it's just terrible. So what I did was, and shout out to Dinah Lee, love you girl, what I did was I painted my whole office white. A friend of mine, Dinah Lee, who's a huge YouTuber and influencer on Instagram, you guys have probably seen her comment on my pictures or me comment on hers or anything like that, or if we were together, you might have seen her on my story. But she actually gave me some advice, like when we talk on FaceTime and stuff, because she's a big YouTuber and she has millions of views. So like, she knows like what to do and what not to do, what works and what doesn't. And of course she watches my videos, so she's able to give me that insight. I actually went ahead and painted my office. She was like, make your videos look better and you'll get more views. And she's right. I do get more views now. People are taking me more seriously now, and people do actually love my content. They do love the way like my background looks right now. They do love it because people message me and they tell me, or you comment on the videos and you tell me, or even she told me like, your videos look so much brighter, they look so much nicer. And it's like, you need to put in the effort. Like, you have to make things look better, because when you're presenting something to someone, like if it's a photo of you or it's a product that you're promoting for a brand, it needs to be appealing to the eye, because everyone, if they don't want to look at it, then they're not going to click on it, then they're not going to buy it, and they're not going to like it, and they're not going to do anything. You're not going to get any engagement, you're not going to get any purchases, you're not going to get anything, you're not going to get anywhere, your brand's not going to grow. So you definitely have to put yourself out there, as it just has to be high quality. And another thing is, like on my story now, if you guys have noticed, which a lot of you have, I keep saying that, but I just appreciate you guys noticing my effort. I've been using the Mojo app. Like, today's Tip Tuesday, and I'll put like a clip right here of like the tips that I put and like how it looks. And like, Mojo is just a way to go ahead and customize your Insta stories and like make them look better. So instead of just posting something and saying go buy this, you can post it in a more aesthetic way, in a more, which actually makes you look more professional. Honestly, it makes you look like you know what you're doing. It looks like you know marketing and advertising. You know, it looks better the way you're presenting it. So it's like, instead of just having a black screen where you just type something from Instagram, you need to customize your stories. You need to be promoting yourself better. And I know you have to wait till you get to 10K in order to have a link, but that's why I say your link tree. You can have multiple links in your bio. Tell people to go click the link in your bio. Another thing is, when you're posting your pictures, you want to tag brands. I learned that when you are posting like where you live, or like you tag your location, or you tag brands, brands will repost you, brands will like the picture, and then you end up on that brand's explore page. Brands will put you on their website. I've even had a brand put me on their website before, and this is before I even had 10K, which 10K is not even a lot, but they actually put me, they liked my picture so much, they liked the quality of it, they had me on their website, and I didn't even know for the most, and then for the longest time, and then they actually had me on their Instagram too, but they didn't tag me, which is why I didn't know, which sucks. Like, I wish they would have tagged me, but I commented on it and was like, oh my god, I didn't even know you guys posted me, thank you so much. So then if anybody looked at the comments, they would see me right there anyway. So that's why you actually have to be on the lookout. So if you're promoting a brand, make sure you're following a brand, make sure you're checking their page to see if they're reposting you. Another thing is tagging your location. If you're going somewhere and say it's a movie theater, or say it's a mall, or say it's like a park or a food place, you want to tag the place, because A, that restaurant or that park, if they have an Instagram, they can repost you as well, and B, people who are going to that place soon can click on the location, see you, and then that's a way for you to actually go ahead and find people in your area and find people that you can link up with, and then, you know, also people that you can go ahead and start collaborating with. So that's another thing, is tagging your location, tagging the brand, and then hashtags. You definitely want to do your research on hashtags. I know a lot of people say it doesn't work, it brings spammy comments. Well, the one thing that I do love about having 10K followers is I'm in charge of who can comment on my pictures now. I turned it off to where if you don't follow me, you can't comment on my pictures, and that literally eliminated those spammy comments altogether. Those, oh my god, I love your feed, follow us, or oh my god, I love your feed, we'd love to work together, DM us. I don't get any of those comments anymore, because you can't comment on my pictures if you don't follow me. And 9 times out of 10, if they don't follow you and they're trying to comment on your picture, they're either hating, talking crap, or, you know, they just don't support you, or they're just trying to get like seen by somebody else in one of those brands or them hair pages or whatever. So you definitely don't want people who don't follow you commenting on your pictures. It'll eliminate a lot of those bad comments and those comments from brands that you don't want to see. Overall, just try to get as much content out there as possible. The one thing that worked for me is just posting every single day consistently. There might be a day like yesterday, Monday was super slow. A lot of people didn't really message me. A lot of people didn't really sign up for any of my courses. A lot of people weren't buying from my Shopify or eBay. It was just a very slow Monday. It was a Mondayest Monday I've had all year. So like yesterday was super slow, and a lot of the things that I did didn't work. A lot of the emails I sent didn't get opened. It was just like, I don't know, yesterday was super slow. But today picked up everything. I woke up to sales. I woke up to like everything just got back together today. It was like staying consistent, even though, you know, there was no one really talking to me or messaging me or anything like that. I just got to really work on my client website or work on a YouTube video or anything like that. So you just have to stay consistent. Keep producing content, keep posting on your Instagram, keep posting on your YouTube, your Twitter, anywhere. And also, that's another thing, using YouTube and Twitter and Facebook and Instagram, I use all of those faithfully, so you can actually see me posting on all of those, and people from Facebook come over to Instagram, people from YouTube come over to Instagram, people from Twitter come over to Instagram, and a lot of people end up coming over to my Instagram and following me simply because they like my photos, they like the way things look, they want to dress like me, they want to make money like me, they want a nice car like me, so they're like, ooh, I'm gonna follow her. That's another thing. You have to post things that people want. You have to make people want to do what you do. You need to inspire people. Like, if you're not inspiring people, then people are not going to follow you. People are not gonna want to follow you. People don't follow people. People follow inspiration. People follow, they don't follow Instagram accounts. They follow inspiration. They follow motivation. They aspire to be like you. So that is why they follow you. It's not that, oh, I want to be her. It's that, oh, I like her hair. I wish I could get my hair like that. Let me follow her for some more inspiration. Or, ooh, they just went to Bali. I want to go to Bali. Let me follow her so I can go to Bali too. It's not like following her is going to make you go to Bali, but like following her and seeing her in Bali is going to motivate you to want to work harder so that you can go to Bali. It's just like whatever it is that you look up to, follow that, and then see what they're doing and do what they're doing, and don't copy them. But if you like their style, you know, do that, do what they do. You see it's working for them, see if it works for you. And there's always the 80-20 rule. Post 80% of what you want to post and 20% of what you think your followers want to see. So you need to use that little 20% to be posting what you think your followers want to see and make sure that your followers are satisfied, but then you also want to use that 80% to post your content and make sure you're posting your products and your services and all of that stuff. up, because you don't want to just be posting to get likes. It's not about the likes. And another thing is, don't use likes to measure somebody's success. I just seen this somewhere before. Just because you see me post something that got 45 likes does not mean that this post was not successful, does not mean that this post didn't make me $1,000. You can't measure the amount of money in my bank account by the amount of followers I have on Instagram, because they don't add up. They don't equal. They're not the same. I promise you that. Don't ever think that somebody needs to be having 1,000 likes or 2,000 likes or even 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 likes on their picture just to be successful. That's not how this works. It's about actually making progress. It's about actually getting clients and getting sales, not getting likes. But the likes, they're important too. Now, don't get it messed up, because you do want to have high engagement. You do want your engagement to be at least 10%. So if I have 10,000 followers, I need to be getting 1,000 likes per photo, and I average about like 750. Sometimes I hit 850. So my engagement is not where it needs to be, which means I need to keep working. I need to stay consistent. I need to find more people that want to be on my page and actually engage with me. I need to be posting things that my followers actually want to engage with. Your content is in your client. Your content comes from your audience. Whatever your audience wants to see, whatever your clients wants to see, I don't know what this means, but whatever your clients wants to see, that's what you need to be posting, because that is what's going to get you more followers and initially get you more sales. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, the coupon code for today is Instagram 50. I'm so glad to see you guys watching this video and my content getting better. It's only gonna get better from here, guys, so keep watching, keep keeping up, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on these notifications, because you don't want to miss my next video. I'm on a roll here. I'm getting all my content out. I'm doing what I said I was gonna do. So make sure you go ahead and support me and thumbs up this video. Comment what you've been doing to grow your Instagram and how many followers you have. And like I said, comment your Instagram and I'll look at it and tell you some things that you need to change, help you create some content, help you do all that. All you gotta do is message me and we can get the ball rolling. Thank you again for watching this video, and don't forget to watch another one. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. I love you all so much. Bye.